Namaskar. For people living with diabetes and those who are trying to prevent diabetes, it is important to have a healthy diet to have control on their blood sugar, blood pressure and the cholesterol levels. It is also critical for losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining healthy weight is critical for controlling blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol and also to prevent the complications like heart diseases and stroke. Target blood sugar for a person living with diabetes would be 70 to 130 before meals and less than 180 2 hours prior to meal. But this value can vary from person to person, and for this you can ask your physician. For a person trying to control their blood sugar level, the amount of carbohydrates that they consume have the highest impact on the blood sugar level. So knowing how many carbohydrates are you consuming will help you a lot. The food that contain carbohydrates are grains, dairy products, fruits and vegetables. A dietitian can help you know the food that contains the carbohydrate and the amount of carbohydrate that they have. Since so many food contains carbohydrates and you are trying to get your number down to a level that helps your blood sugar, a dietitian will help you balance all of that. Eating healthy food makes you feel better in addition to control your blood sugar levels. For a person living with diabetes and those who are trying to prevent diabetes, some healthier food options could be lean proteins like chicken, fish or low-fat paneer and tofu, whole grains like maize, bajra, jaw, kutu, ragi, then vegetables that grow above the soil and can be eaten as salads, and whole fruits but avoiding juices and consumption of the low and non-fat dairy products like yogurt. If making big changes to your diet seems overwhelming, try and start with smaller steps and that are sustainable and achievable. The one of them could be portion control. Here what we can do is start eating in a smaller plate, maybe a 9-inch plate divided into 2 halves. The first half fill it with fruits and vegetables. The second half which is left divided into again 2 portions and 1/4 of it may contain protein source like maybe a lean protein source like chicken or fish or low fat paneer or tofu, and the last quarter which is left may consist of some breads or potatoes which will provide you with the carbohydrates. Try to eat your meals and snack at fixed time each day. This will help you prevent overeating as you won't get too much hungry. Whenever you eat your food, enjoy it and try to avoid any form of distractions and chew it very properly. Give your brain the time to know that your stomach is full, as it may take some time to perceive that sensation. When it comes to seasoning, always try to opt to know that your stomach is full, as it may take some time to perceive that sensation. When it comes to seasoning, always try to opt for herbs and spices and try to avoid salt and butter. At your workplace, bring your lunch along with you so that you can avoid overeating as you tend to do in restaurants. People fall off track when they try and eat healthier diet. Don't get discouraged or demotivated. It's normal. Try to get back on the track as early as possible. It's normal for people to feel demotivated periodically. For this, you can always discuss with your physician or dietitian who can help you make a diet plan that suits your need. The diet plan should be one which is sustainable and can be easily followed for long time. For diabetics, you really need not buy anything special from the market and need not avoid any food completely. With portion control and meal planning, even with diabetes, you can really enjoy eating. All the best.